Hello friends! Let's learn different ways to represent the numbers. Let's see some ways we can represent number 6. We can use the letters and write 6. We can have 6 objects. We can show 6 fingers. We can use tally marks, or we can have 6 dots in our tens frame. These are some of the ways you can use to represent number 6. Hi friends! Let's play a number game. It's a number match. You have to match the number 6 to where you can count 6 things. Where do you see 6 things? Do you see 6 locks, 6 ends, or 6 girls? You can also try to read the words underneath the objects. Let's try the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we count them correctly. Good job. Let's try again. Where do you see 6 things? 6 pigs, 6 rainbows, or 6 oranges? Very good. 6 pigs. This is number 6. You can use letters and write the word 6. You can mark 6 dots on a tens frame. You can show 6 fingers. You can have 6 things or objects. Or you can mark 6 tally marks.